Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Docs app on your mobile device, an easy guide to getting started. You will learn the essential functions for document creation, editing, and sharing. We cover the core features that make mobile document management simple and efficient. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to master their mobile document workflow quickly. Creating a new document is straightforward. Simply tap the plus icon, usually located at the bottom right or top left of your screen. You can select a blank document or choose from several templates for reports or letters. To open an existing file, navigate to your recent documents list or use the search bar to find it by name. It is generally a quick process, taking only a few seconds to begin working. Once your document is open, editing is intuitive. Tap and hold any word to select it, then drag the blue handles to highlight larger sections of text. A floating toolbar will appear, offering options to change the font, adjust its size, or alter its color. You can also apply bold, italic, or underline formatting with a single tap. Experiment with these tools to make your document visually appealing and easy to read. Most Docs apps feature automatic saving, so your work is continuously protected without needing to manually hit a save button every few minutes. When you are ready to share, tap the share icon, usually represented by an arrow or 3 dots, to send your document. You can share it directly through email, various messaging applications, or save it to a cloud service. It is also simple to export your document into different formats like a PDF or a standard Word file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.